It's the original.
Original, 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 original.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the original Latty, and today we have some sweet tooth. We are gonna do some strawberry chocolate. Yay! Look how pretty they are. Guys, you can do this for birthday party, wedding, just about any little occasion. Backyard setting, and beer things. So here I have some strawberries, very ripe and nice. So we're gonna wash them properly. Wash them. I'm gonna leave the leaves on because I like it that way. And rub them and wash them properly. I'm gonna use some chocolates, and these I bought them in the Walmart store, about $2 something for one. Oh guys, ensure that your strawberries are properly dried. So here I'm using a piece of hand towel to dry them properly, to ensure that no water left on them, because you want the chocolates to stick to the strawberry. So make sure you dry them properly. Here I have them, guys, all dried and washed and dried properly. Over here I have some water that I have on the fire here, and I'm gonna use my file paper to put on my tray here, because this is what I'm gonna put the strawberries on when I coat them in the chocolate. I'm gonna use some kebab sticks. You can go ahead, you can use your fork and just put it on like this and coat your chocolate and take them off. But I want, you know, a little stushness. I want a little, yeah. So may I put them on my kebab stick? So me kind of extra sometime. I mean that little extra. I mean, want it on the stick, but me can't eat it off the stick. So here, guys, I have them on my kebab stick ready to be coated with my chocolate. I have the water over here ready, and I have a pan here, baking pan. I'm gonna just put over, you see the water bubbling, right? put this on the top here, and there's where I'm gonna put my chocolate right in here, like so. So this is I have two types of chocolate, the dark chocolate and the white chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead with the white one first. Brown chocolate, I should say. Not dark, brown and white. But I'm gonna go ahead with the white one first and just pour it in the pan like this, and use a spoon and stir it, because the heat is penetrating on the pan. So you see that it's melting as quickly. And this is very easy to do, guys, very easy. So if you have a birthday party coming up, or you know, last Sunday evening, you know, finish cooking and you want a little dessert, this is a very good way of doing. And if you are with sweet, because a lot of person don't really go with sweet, the chocolate sweets, and they're watching their weight and all of that. But trust me, guys, the strawberry with a little chocolate over it won't do a thing. Trust me. All you have to do is just go to the gym when you're finished. Stir and 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 stir. See it melting away. Creamy and nice. Put a little more. Okay, I'm gonna take this off now. See that? Put it over here. All right, basically what I'm gonna do is just twirl it, twirl it, twirl it. Just like that. See, there you go. Put that one is finished. Let me do another one. Twirl, twirl. See how easy? That one finished. And as I said before, you could use your fork. Just put where the kebab stick is and just do it, and that's it. So guys, I'm doing the brown now, and I just basically do the same thing as I did with the white. You see that? Melt in no time. Let me put some more. And basically I do the same thing, just twirl it in the chocolate here, twirl, twirl, as simple 1 2 3, easy. And you can arrange them as how you want to arrange them. Twirl, twirl. And if you're say you're a children having a birthday party, or you know, you can, this is a fun thing you can do with your kid or kids, you know, let them help you out in the kitchen and you and them make this. It's very easy. You see the color combination here? Okay, what I'm putting on is just some candy sprinkles. And this is optional. You don't have to, because this is just extra sweet. But as I said before, I'm just and put it in the freezer. This is the finished product, guys. Look at it. No, wanna tell me so, not gonna try this. Oh, not gonna try this. Try it out, guys, and tell me. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give me 3,000 some thumbs up for this, guys. Okay, see, it's simple. 1, 2, 3. Let me people, this nice bud. I mean, for tell you, Jesus. Take a bite. The good things, them. Guys, thank you for watching this video.